Twitter is flipping the order of tweets, and people are flipping out. I'm Bridget Carey. This is your CNET update. Twitter has tinkered with the timeline, pulling the past into the present. Allow me to explain. You see, one of the main reasons people love checking Twitter is because you see a real-time, chronologically ordered feed of what people are saying, so you can keep up with what's trending this second. But if you follow hundreds of accounts, you're going to miss tweets posted when you were not logged on. And Twitter is now addressing this by showing you older tweets it thinks you care about right on top of your current feed. This is a new feature, and reports say about a dozen of these older tweets will be on top of the real-time stream, with the oldest showing first. It's as if Twitter spread a layer of Facebook-flavored frosting on top of your tweet cake, hoping to make it more appetizing to new users. It's rolling out now. Now, I don't have it yet, but you'll find it as an option in settings, and eventually it may be the default for everyone. It's similar in concept to the "while you were away" feature, where Twitter shows a handful of posts made by people you interact with, and that's since you were last logged in. But it's just more of that, although it may not be labeled clearly. You'll have to pay close attention to the timestamp in the corner, or you could get confused. Hitting refresh sweeps away all of the old, and it only shows the new. Personally, I have my own methods to sort through the noise. I use TweetDeck, and I separate people into lists for different topics, so the ones that matter most to me don't get missed. You can also never miss a tweet when you have a phone screen that never goes to sleep. LG Electronics put out a tease that its next big phone, the G5, will have an always-on screen. That would mean you don't need to press any button to check notifications or the time. It could just appear there always. As if we didn't already have an addiction to checking. Somehow this is supposed to keep you even more connected? Sounds a little gimmicky, but we'll learn more later this month when the phone is unveiled on February 21st, which just so happens to be the same day Samsung is showcasing its next big phone, the Galaxy S7. That's it for this tech news update, and there's always more at CNET.com. From our studios in New York, I'm Bridget Carey.